Picture this, you retreat to your bedroom at the end of a long day. You close the door and the modern world completely vanishes. The lighting is low, the textures are heavy, and the room feels less like a suburban master suite and more like a hidden sanctuary in an historic estate. It's warm, deeply comforting, and a little bit mysterious. That, my friends, is Dark Academia, the bedroom chamber edition. Now, most modern Australian bedrooms are built to be bright white boxes, great for finding your socks in the morning, but absolutely terrible for setting a mood. Today, we're going to completely transform a standard suburban bedroom into a moody academic retreat, and we're doing it without changing the architecture and definitely without spending a fortune. But before we dive under the covers, g'day, I'm Aussie Tobes, your resident bold Australian interior designer. If you want to learn how to inject some serious character and charm into your home, make sure to stick around. And if you love what you see, hit that subscribe button. Let's get into it. Step number one, we need to create a cocoon to make a bedroom feel safe and historic. We need depth on the walls. If you're allowed to paint, I want you to go dark on either the bedhead wall or, if you're feeling brave, the whole room. My top picks for a bed chamber: a deep velvety plum, a rich burgundy, or my absolute go-to, a moody eucalyptus green. If you're renting or can't paint, don't panic. You can achieve this exact same depth by hanging a massive dark tapestry or covering the wall behind your bed with oversized vintage style art. Step number two, soften those harsh suburban lines with heavy fabric. Most modern rooms have simple roller blinds. They're practical, but they look flat. Here is the budget design hack. Go grab the heaviest, darkest velvet or faux linen curtains you can find. Think deep forest green, charcoal, or chocolate brown. Now, do not hang the rod right above the window. Hang it as high as it will go right up near the cornice, and make sure the curtains touch the floor. Suddenly, your standard window looks like it belongs in a heritage manor. It blocks out the suburban streetlights and instantly introduces that rich historic texture. Step number three, the bed itself. Dark Academia loves layers. We aren't doing a neat minimalist tuck in here. We want it to look lived in and luxurious. Start with your base sheets, linen or cotton in a warm neutral or a rich jewel tone. Then layer a heavy quilt. On top of that, fold a wool or plaid throw across the end of the bed. And finally, the cushions. Mix your textures here. Combine a smooth velvet cushion with a classic tartan or a moody floral print. It makes the bed look incredibly inviting, like you just want to dive in with a good book and never leave. Step number four, ditch the matched bedside sets in a catalogue home. Everything matches. In an authentic academic home, things feel collected over time. Find a secondhand timber nightstand from an op shop or online marketplace. See, scuffs and scratches are welcome because they tell a story. On top of that, keep the styling tight and intentional. A stack of 3 old hardcover books, a light brass dish for your watch or rings, and most important, a small ceramic or metal lamp with a warm toned globe. Now remember to turn off those overhead ceiling downlights permanently as well. When you're in bed, the light should sit at eye level, casting a soft, low glow. You see, mood beats brightness every single time, especially in the bedroom. So how do we give the bed chamber that signature Aussie Tobes twist? We ground it in our beautiful backyard, of course. Instead of old European oil paintings, head to Etsy, download some vintage style botanical prints of Australian native flora like Banksias, waratahs or gum blossoms, and pop them into a thrifted, ornate frame. Throw a vase of dried eucalyptus stems on a dresser. You see, the aromatic scent combined with those deep green tones makes the space feel connected to the Australian landscape while still keeping that cozy intellectual vibe. Best of all, you don't need a king's ransom to do this. You see, op shops are overflowing with old hardcover books for $2. Facebook Marketplace is packed with timber side tables, waiting for a second life. A can of paint and some warm light bulbs cost next to nothing, but the impact is massive. Your bedroom shouldn't just be a place where you sleep. It should be a space that inspires you, calms you, and wraps you up in character. Don't wait for a heritage home. Style the one you've got right now. If you loved these bedroom tips, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments which colour are you painting your moody sanctuary. And remember to be bold, be inspired, and be Aussie Tobes. And I'll see you in the next video.